Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're on Facebook or you're on YouTube, wherever you are watching this video, I want to take this opportunity to send out an open invitation to teachers who would like to come and share their experience on this platform. Guys, long gone are the days when people are leaving their home country, getting a job, getting the experience, and you have people who would like to get that information and you hug on to it and not want to share it. And I'm not even going to say long gone, because people are still doing it. People are still doing it, not just in the teaching field, also in the nursing field and all the field that you can think about. We have people who are achieving different opportunities abroad. They are so selfish. They don't want to share what they experienced with somebody else, for somebody else to get that same opportunity. Like, how is that going to benefit just you? Okay, we're not fussing. But what I'm saying is, teachers, nurses, whoever, wherever you are, it doesn't have to be in the United States. You don't need to have gone on a program. Whatever steps you took and you think your steps that you took can help somebody else to get a teaching job, a nursing job, whatever job in a different country, come on and share on this platform. We are living in a society where technology is taking over, guys. You'd never know how far or how close somebody is to you that would like to hear about your experience. Come on, guys, don't be shy. Put it in the comment section below if you'd like to share on this platform. If you are shy and you do not want to make it public, you can privately tell me, though you're going to be coming public online. You can privately tell me on IG. Find me on IG, Kicking with Dr. Britton. Send me a message. IG, Kicking with Dr. Britton. Send me a message there. Let me know you're interested. Tell me what is it you'd like to share. If you are not for lives, like you don't want to be live in front of the people, we can pre-record the video and then I upload it after. There are other options. You don't have to go live. We can pre-record it. So reach out, guys. Let's share. Let's share what we know so that others can learn from us. We learn from each other. We learn from each other. A lot of people have been learning from this platform, from me, from the other teachers who have shared. I have a nurse that shared. I have a J1 student that shared. I have a J2 dependent that shared on this platform. And so many people are learning. Let's allow others to learn from us. Go ahead. Again, it's an open invitation. I'm welcoming all who would like to come and share their information on this platform. Send me a message on IG, Kicking with Dr. Britton. Make it public here in the comment section below. Find me on Facebook, Kicking with Dr. Britton. Send me a message. However you want to reach out. Let's share, guys. Come on. Let's not be selfish. Let's not be selfish. As I said before, open invitation for all. Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. If you have not subscribed to this channel as yet, you need to subscribe. We share a lot about teaching here in the United States, as well as how to obtain that teaching job in the United States. Let's share with our fellow brothers and sisters. See you next time, guys. Bye.